Morning, Agent Engine Carbon Clean. We're in Coalville and we've got a rather nice Audi A5, one of my favourite cars. We've got a 3-litre TDI. This one, it's got a water meth kit on this one. It's also down on bags, as you can see. Currently in the lowest position right now. Obviously not driven around like that, but very nice for shows. This owner of this one does take it for shows. I've been to this owner before, the previous vehicle, back today to look at this one. It's had an EGR code on it recently. We've had the diagnostics in, got the EGR connected back up again. Doesn't appear to be any issues while we're sat here. It's not re-triggering any codes. There does appear to be flow through the EGR and it's opening and closing when it's supposed to. Hopefully that's just a blip. If it does continue, at least the EGRs are fairly easy to get to on this one. Hopefully just a case of taking it off, giving it a clean out. Otherwise, a few other bits and pieces the owner's already aware of. Just confirmed those on the diagnostics and giving it a nice clean up. 117,000 on the clock. But yeah, very nice, nice modded car this one. Pulling quite a bit of power and torque as well. This one as well. Lovely.